Okay, in this video we'll teach you about the horizontal lookup function. And so the file you would want is HLOOKUPTemp if you want to follow along. And then of course HLOOKUPFINAL will be the file that has the final result. Okay, so a horizontal lookup, or HLOOKUP, is like a vertical lookup, except you look stuff up matching the lookup value in the first row of a table range. And then instead of a column index, you give a row index. So the syntax is HLOOKUP. You'll have a lookup value. And then you'll have a table range or table or lookup range. And then you'll have a row index. And then that true or false works the same way as it did with the VLOOKUP, so we don't need to really discuss that again. Okay, so what we got in our example here is we've got the months of the year, we've got our sales each month, and we've got our number of employees. So we might want to type in a month number, a month name, and we would like to get our sales for that month, and we'd like to get the number of employees. There are many other ways to do this, by the way. Okay, so let's type in a month, February, as an example, and then I can type in HLOOKUP. Okay. Now the lookup value is going to be the month, because that's what I want to match. The range is going to be this range right here, the first row of which contains my months. And then if I want the sales, that's in the second row of this range or array. So I'll put it 2, and then I should put it true, or I could omit it. And hopefully that, oops. So, oh, I forgot it's VLOOKUP false. Okay, because it's months, it's not stuff arranged in ascending order, so it's actually good I made that mistake. You should see the NA there. We'll learn how to deal with those NAs later. So your sales are $73,000. And now if I want the employees, I would do HLOOKUP. I would look up the month. There's my range. The answer is now in the third row for employees. And again, I'm going to need that word false. And I get there are 29 employees. And if I change the month here, like to June, then everything changes. So June is $72,000 in revenue and 34 employees. Okay, so that's a good discussion of how the HLOOKUP differs from the VLOOKUP.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytics Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.